If you're choosing between the AOC Q27G40XMN and the Xiaomi G Pro 27i, this is basically a contrast versus color battle. Both are mini LED gaming monitors with similar specs, but they deliver very different experiences. So which one actually wins? Let's break it down. The AOC Q27G40XMN is all about contrast and HDR impact. Thanks to its mini LED backlight with over 1,000 dimming zones, it delivers extremely deep blacks and very high brightness, making HDR content look much more dramatic and immersive. It's also one of the best value mini LED monitors you can get, with strong gaming performance at 180 Hz. The downside is a VA panel. You may notice some motion smearing in fast scenes and weaker viewing angles. The Xiaomi G Pro 27i takes a different approach. It uses an IPS mini LED panel, which means better color accuracy, more consistent colors across the screen, and much better viewing angles. This makes it more suitable for both gaming and content creation. Motion handling is also cleaner, so fast-paced games look smoother overall. The trade-off is contrast. Blacks won't be as deep as the AOC, and HDR won't feel quite as punchy. So which one wins? If you care about the best HDR experience, deeper blacks, and maximum value, the AOC Q27G40XMN is the winner, especially for gaming in dark scenes. If you want better colors, wider viewing angles, and a more balanced display for both gaming and productivity, the Xiaomi G Pro 27i is the better pick. Bottom line, AOC wins for HDR and value, while Xiaomi wins for color accuracy and overall balance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.